Hey guys, so this is an overview of the CodeIgniter PHP framework training course offered by Village 88 Learning. So PHP frameworks, if you're creating a web application using PHP, if you're the only person who's going to be working on this application, or if the project is very small, you probably don't need to use any framework. Now, if you're developing a large scale application that you want to scale, and where you can have multiple developers working on the course, working on the web application, you need a framework. If you're not using a framework, then it becomes a nightmare for you to manage the code and also to add more developers. So CodeIgniter is one of the framework that we personally use at Village 88 Learning, and we really like it. It's very lightweight and it's very powerful. And this will give you a good introduction on how MVC framework works. So this is again one of those things that amateur programmers don't know about. They are used to writing PHP from top to bottom, and it's very inefficient when the application needs to scale. So PHP framework will make it easy for you to scale the application and also to add other developers. Just very effective for a large application. So in this course, what you will learn how to set up CodeIgniter in your system from scratch. So we'll send you to the CodeIgniter's official website for you to download, and there are certain things that you will need to know to install it correctly, and through our videos we'll show you step by step how to do that. Now once you install CodeIgniter, you will find that there are lots of folders and lots of files, and it could be very confusing. So we are going to teach you what files and what folders are important, and all the other files and folders you see there, you can just completely ignore it because it's not really important for you to know at the early stage. So we're gonna help you and point you in the right direction there. We're going to point you to the right libraries, helpers, for you to know in CodeIgniter. There are lots of materials in their user guide, and they do have a very good user guide, but you're not going to use 80 to 90% of those things in the user guide. So we help you understand what are the fundamental things that you need to know in CodeIgniter so that you can get a working application from scratch. We're also going to help you set up set up models, controllers, and views. We'll explain to you what those are. And if you're used to this, the script type of programming, writing code from top to bottom, this may be very new to you. But we're going to show you through examples how to do this and why you should do it. You're also going to be taught how to use CodeIgniter's active record class to write efficient queries. And we're going to be focusing a lot of time on form validation. CodeIgniter has a very powerful form validation, and you're going to have a lot of practice using that through working on labs and assignments. So now you will find that a lot of a lot of functions and things that you see in CodeIgniter, you will find that in different framework, even if it is not a PHP framework. So we believe that CodeIgniter will give you a good fundamental training on using MVC framework, and if you want to jump into another framework, you will have a much easier time doing it because you already have the experience with CodeIgniter. So what you can expect from the course, you will have unlimited access to the course materials, videos, tutorials, and you can take the course whenever you want and wherever you want. So if you want to spend 10 hours a week, and if you want to take it during the morning time, that's okay. If you want to take it during the evening time, that's okay as well. You will also have unlimited access to the Village 88 Learning Labs, which we offer every Tuesday and Thursday, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can just join our labs and ask questions to the coaches available during those labs, and it will help you accomplish your tasks, assignments, and projects. You're also going to be given 2 one-on-one coaching from your personal coach. Estimated time of completion, you'll probably need to spend about 25 hours or more watching the online trainings and going through the articles and different links. You'll probably spend 40 plus hours working on the actual assignments.